Guitar Bobby here, just playing around with this B flat major G minor blues scale on the E string, third fret G, B flat, fifth string C, C sharp D, and then fourth string F G, and then third string B C, second string D F, and then first string G B flat. Now I can slide up from that B flat up to this C and be up in the third position. C, C sharp D, B flat on that second string, G, F, D, and back down here. D, C sharp, C, then I'm back down in that second position. Back at the third fret. Now I'm going to slide up. I'm going to slide back up into that third position, up to that C note, first sixth string at the eighth fret, C, C sharp, D, F, G on that A string, and B flat, C, C sharp. And again, you know, that Duke Ellington piece, don't get around much, you know, that this scale, this blues scale is embedded in the melody. You get it? Been invited on dates, might have gone, but what for? Awfully different without you. Don't get around much anymore. And it's just a fun thing to do. I took the time to write it out, and if you like, just take a screenshot of this, and it'll hip you, as they used to say down in Tennessee, where I got immersed in some of the music down there. And again, just have fun with it. Um, and at the same time, you're learning the neck of the instrument, and it's a good thing. It exercises your brain, and old guys like me, we have to do that because it's how our brains keep healthy. Anyway, Six Star Bobby. So hope you like that, and message me if you have any questions. Peace.